your favorite movie? There are many movies that I have seen in my day to day life, but if I talk about my favorite movie, that is Chhello Divas. Chhello Divas is basically a Gujarati movie, and there are many film stars who have in this movie. I have watched this movie many times because whenever I see this movie, I miss my college days, and I also try to recall all the memories. In this movie, they have described about all the fun that students do in their college life as well as in hostel, and how they lie to each other, make fun of each other, and what all fun they do at the college. So, they have mentioned, and well, they played a very nice role in this movie. They have a group of four friends who are always available for each other, and even I have the group of four friends. So, this movie was very well related to me. And apart from this movie, I also like other movies. But if I have to talk about my favorite movie, then it is always this movie because I like each and every part of this movie, and it has become my favorite movie with the passing time. Describe a time you got lost in a place you did not know about. There are many times when we get lost at some place when we are traveling for the first time. But at the same time, we get to learn many different things. If I talk about one such situation when I went to Jaipur, I went to Jaipur for my friend's wedding, and I had to attend various functions at different locations. So I started attending this session, and while I was going to different places to attend different occasions, I got lost at a particular location. The marriage destination was around 8 kilometers from the place where we were staying, and there were private car facilities that was provided. But once at the time of function, I got some important office work. So I had to wait at the place, and all my relatives went over there. After 1 hour, I finished all my work, and I thought of going there. I was having two-wheeler of my cousin. As I was new in that city, I did not know much. So I kept on asking the people on my way and followed the directions they gave me. But unfortunately, I was not able to understand one of the direction as it was quite complicated. So that time I immediately lost my way, and it became a great problem for me. After trying for some time, I told my cousin that I am in this problem. So immediately he sent me the live location, and I used Google Maps and reached on that location. Describe your first day at school. Generally, people get only one chance to enjoy their first day of the school or of their office. But if I talk about myself, then I got this experience for 3 times, as I have changed my school for 3 times in my schooling. From my first standard to third standard, I have studied at Rajasthan school, and from fourth standard to 10th standard, I was transferred to St. Anne's High School, and the school was near to my home. And after that, for my 11th and 12th, I was transferred to another school, that is MK School, and this was quite away from my home. But if I talk about the first day of my school, then it was very amazing and very refreshing for me. When I changed my school from 4th standard, and when I came to the school, there were many different faces in front of me because I had changed my school, and with the changing school, all my friends changed as well. So, when I entered the classroom, no one was talking to me as I was not familiar with anyone or any student. Then, as soon as our class teacher came, she introduced me to all the old students and gave me introduction in front of the classroom. And after that lecture, many of the boys came to me and introduced themselves, and even I introduced them. And after that, we became friends. So, whenever I talk about the first day of my school, it was very good. Describe an aquatic animal. Aquatic animals are basically those animals which live inside the water, and I have seen many aquatic animals such as fish, shark, whales, and many other animals. But if I particularly talk about one aquatic animal that I have seen many times, that is a dolphin. As before some years, I went to Bangkok, and Bangkok is known for various adventurous activities, and even there they organize a show that is a dolphin show. That was a time when I saw dolphins from really close. I have went to some coastal areas but never got a chance to see any dolphin. But when I went to Bangkok, I saw a dolphin show. I was really very excited to see what dolphins do. And there was a small swimming pool in which around 6 to 7 dolphins were there. They were served food over there and other necessary things, and against that they showed various performance, like they played with ball, they played with other things, and even there were some trainers who were making them perform a dance and various other skills. So it was a very exciting performance, as I have never seen much aquatic animals in my life. But when I went over to Bangkok, it was the first time when I watched aquatic animals from such a close view, and it was an amazing experience for me and a lifetime memory for me. And there were also the facility of clicking the photographs. So I hired a cameraman and clicked several photos really close to the dolphin. Describe a bag you want to own. Generally, we use bags for different purposes. And if I talk about a bag that I want to own is a laptop bag. Even I have many kind of bags that are backpack, sling bags or tote bags. But the bag that I want to own is a laptop bag, as I am using laptop on regular basis at my home and at my college. So I have to carry my laptop from home to college and college to home, as I have to do several projects and many other things. But the reason I want to get a laptop bag is the present bag that I am using is quite old, and it is of very normal quality. So there are chances that it might damage my laptop, as the monsoon season is coming, and if I am driving and it starts raining, then it will be a problem for me. So I want to buy a new waterproof laptop bag for the safety of my laptop, and I want that of a branded company because the normal bags are not much safe and they don't take any guarantee of the quality or the safety of the laptop. But the bags of Fast Track or the bags of Titan company are very well known for laptop bags. because they give the guarantee of the waterproofing of laptop, that even if it's rain heavily and if the laptop is in the bag, it will not get damaged with the water, and that's what I wanted. So I want to buy that laptop bag as soon as possible. Describe your favorite singer. There are many artists that I have seen in my life, and if I talk about my favorite singer, he is Arijit Singh. Arijit Singh is a very well known singer of the present time, and he is almost in everyone's heart. Arijit Singh is known for the beautiful and melodious voice. He sings various songs that are related to love and romance. He is known for that, and he is having such a lovely voice that when people listen that songs, they fall in love with the songs, and the lyrics of the songs are amazing that everyone enjoys it. He sings songs of every age. He even sings new songs, old songs, as well as remix songs. And people of almost all age group like to listen his songs. Even last year I got a chance to attend the concert of Arijit Singh. It was a live concert that was arranged in my hometown Ahmedabad at the cricket stadium, and I went to attend that with my friends. It was a wonderful experience because I went to a live concert for the first time in my life, and I enjoyed a lot over there. But if I talk about my experience, then to listen the favorite singer for the first time by myself and standing in front over there was a wonderful thing. So I got this chance to listen to my favorite singer for the first time, and Arijit Singh will always be my favorite singer. Describe a time you made a promise to someone. Generally, we make promise to our loved and dear ones because when they don't want us to do a particular thing, then they give us a promise that we should not repeat that thing. Once, when I was studying in 11th standard, I went to watch a movie and bunked my class. There were many times when I did that thing, but one day my father caught me doing that when I was in the movie theater and I came out after watching the movie. Fortunately, my father was also there and he saw me watching that movie. He immediately asked me why I bunked the school. I told him that many of my friends were coming to watch the movie and so did I. Then he took me home and he asked me if I am doing anything wrong. Then I told him that I only went to watch a movie with few of my friends and we did not do any wrong thing over there. So he said me that this age is such a age when we fall into bad habits very soon, and even I realized my mistake and I told my dad that I will not repeat it again. I gave him the promise that I will always focus on my study and never bunk any class. And if I want to go for a movie, I will take the permission from him before going there. So, this was a time when I made a promise to my father, and even till today, I never broke that promise. Describe an art exhibition that you visited. Generally, we visit various exhibitions. Some exhibitions are related to our household things, while there are various museums or exhibitions that displays different art by different artists. If I talk about a museum in my hometown and it is very close to my home, I had heard about that museum from long time that many foreign tourists and other visitors of Ahmedabad go to see that exhibition. So, even I asked my parents to take me over there. And last month we went to visit that exhibition. When we entered, initially I felt that it is not interesting because it was very small and there were very few things visible in front of me. But when we went inside, it was an amazing experience because there were many things that were different and unique over there. It was a real art exhibition where there were many paintings and sketches done by various well known artists and sketch artists, and they have displayed their work in that exhibition. The exhibition showed us different artwork, and they were not there for sale because the owner of the exhibition was fond of collecting such things, and he had spent a huge amount for making this collection. So, he was very happy with this collection and never wanted to sell it. So, this was the art exhibition that I had visited recently and enjoyed it a lot. Describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. There are many situations when we speak truth in front of everyone, and there are some truth that are our secrets and we don't share it much with other people. If I talk about a time when I told my friend an important truth, once when I was collecting my money regularly as my pocket money from my father, and I was saving a good amount with me, and a few years ago I thought of investing that money in the stock market, and I also earned some good money in initial days. But as we all know that stock market is very fluctuating and there are great ups and downs in that. So to earn regular profit is quite tough thing. Everyone know and think that share market is an easy earning opportunity. But to start that is easy, but to continue that is very tough. And even I did that same mistake. And I made a big loss in the stock market. So it was getting difficult for me to manage that loss. So I told this truth to my friend, and he gave me the suggestion that I should accept my mistake and tell this to my parents. Though it was a loss of only 3000 rupees, but having this loss at the age of 18 years was really a big amount for me. Then I told to my father that all this has happened with me. Immediately he started shouting at me, but later on he explained me the importance of saving the money and not investing or using it at wrong place. So all this was about a truth that I told to my friend. Describe a skill that you can teach other people. There are many skills that I know, such as cooking, driving, mathematics, and many other skills. But if I talk about a skill that I can teach to other people, is doing yoga and exercise. As I am a person who is very concerned about my health and fitness, and to maintain my health and fitness, I do exercise since many years on regular basis. Even if I am on a vacation, I do exercise over there. So, this is a skill that I can teach to other people. And even I am taking yoga classes for many people. I do go to a garden early in the morning, and there are many people who are not aware about doing exercise and the correct positions. So, many people ask me, seeing doing me different kind of exercise over there, and even many people requested me to teach exercise to them. So, even I got an idea that I should do that for awareness among the people. So, I started a small batch of 10 people for yoga and exercise, and gradually the batch size increased to around 40 people who were coming to garden on regular basis to learn exercise from me. So, I think that in future also I will always speak about this thing, and whenever they feel any problem, they immediately ask me about that thing. So, this is a skill that I can teach to other people.